Are you looking to take your music production to the next level? Look no further than Loopcloud. With a vast library of high-quality samples and sounds, Loopcloud is a producer's dream come true. But how can you make the most out of this incredible tool? Here are a few tips to help you maximize your Loopcloud experience. First, take advantage of the search filters. Whether you're looking for a specific genre, instrument, or BPM, Loopcloud's filters make it easy to find exactly what you need. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different effects and processing tools. From pitch shifting to time stretching, the possibilities are endless. And don't forget to explore the Loopcloud community. Connect with other producers, share your work, and collaborate on projects. So there you have it, a few simple ways to get the most out of Loopcloud. What are you waiting for? Start creating music like never before. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more music production tips and tutorials.